y'all, welcome back. So today in this video, I am going to share with you all things July. Can you believe it is July already? I always kind of want January, February, March to go by super fast, but the rest of the months, no, I don't want them to go by fast because I love the weather and I just don't want summer to end. So this is actually the last month of summer for my kids. They start school on August 4th, which is so crazy to me. So the summer's just been so busy. I don't know about you, but it seems like there's just been something. We've just been so busy. And so I'm just ready to have some time to relax. But anyways, in this video, I'm going to share with you everything that we have going on in the month of July for 31. So that's for anyone who's interested in joining our new consultants, our hostesses, our customers, and our seasoned consultants. Okay, so first, we're going to talk about our 20-year anniversary with 31. This is my shirt for our Impact, our national conference. It just came the other day and I was excited to wear it. So we are celebrating our 20th year as a company. And so we are doing kind of like a sponsoring incentive every month. So for the month of July, if you're interested in joining 31 as a consultant, you can get 50% off your enrollment kit. It will be marked down for you on your website. If you're interested in joining, I'd love to chat with you before you join and just kind of fill you out, see what your goals are and how I can help you get started. So if you are looking for a sponsor and you're in the United States, I'd love to be your girl and chat with you. But I would love for you to go ahead and be thinking about what your why is. Why do you want to join 31? What is your goal? And then I can help you work toward that goal for sure, okay? So we have our enrollment kits here. I'll just show you this little thing here. We still have our all day, everyday kits, our basic bestsellers. We have our fan faves. We have the at-home kit and the on-the-go kit. And then we have that ultimate goal getter kit there. So you'll be able to get 50% off your enrollment kit. And we also, when in your enrollment kit, it's going to come, of course, with your products. It's going to come with catalogs. It's going to come with a how-to guide. This is gold, so don't throw it away. This literally can help you start your business. It has words to say. It gives you so much information. It's really wonderful. So don't throw that away. And then also when you enroll as a new consultant, you'll be enrolled in our new consultant program called our AMP Jumpstart. So you'll earn products for submitting personal volume or sales. And it's divided into a 30-day period and then in your first 90-day period. So if you submit $300 in your first 90 days, you're going to get the insulated bucket tote. If you submit $500 in your first 30 days, you're going to get the travel case plus 2 months of a free website. And then we have products that you can earn in your first 90 days at the $700 level, $1,000 level, $2,000 and $3,000 level. So you can earn so many new products just by joining and starting off strong. And that's what I'm here to help you do. All right, so let's talk about hosting in the month of July. So we have our all day, every day hostess rewards. You start earning rewards at the $200 party mark, and you earn a little bit more at each $100 level above that. My minimum party for my hostesses is to have a $500 party because that's basically where she gets to double her rewards. And so at a $500 party, she gets $100 in free credits, $100 shopping spree for free. She gets 3 half price items, 2 of our discounted hostess exclusives, and that month's hostess special. So since I described this, I'll show this to you first. This is one of our hostess exclusives. We have 5 or 6 that you can choose from. I just grabbed this one out today because I love it so much. But you can grab this by hosting a party at the discounted hostess price. Only our hostesses are able to grab this. So this is called, oh my gosh, totally just had a brain fog. What is that called? Oh my word. And that is called the deluxe grill set. Duh. Okay, so it's going to come with a large utility tote here. It comes in charcoal, and this is the barbecue bash. I did grill and chill on here. So it has pockets on each side. It comes with a stand tall insert, so it helps this thing to stand up tall. And then it also comes with a cutting board, if you guys can see here, cutting board, and also a silicone glove for grilling. But my husband's favorite thing is the grill set here. So this is a grill set. It buckles up. It buckles here. It's actually unbuckled on this side for some reason, but it buckles up and folds up when you're not using it. And then on the inside of here has all of these nice grill tools, if you guys can see. So grill tools here. These are very high quality grill tools. My husband's not easily impressed. and he loved this thing. And actually our friend that we go camping with, he loved this too. And he's like, how can I get this? I'm like, at his party. So anyways, you'll be able to grab that. And that's just when we have a mystery bundle. We have like a little thermal and tote bundle. So, and our luggage too as well. So also, okay, in the month of July, if you host if your party reaches the $500 level, then you'll be able to earn our, what is it called? The laundry day bundle for $20. So if your party reaches, this is the hostess special. So if your party reaches $500 in the month of July, then you'll receive the laundry day bundle for $20. So in this bundle, you're going to receive a stand tall bin. This print's old. I'm sorry. I had another one, but I took it up to our camper, so I didn't have a current print down here for some reason. But this is the stand tall bin. So it's got 4 rods on the inside, which makes it stand up tall, and it's open. We all 4 have one of these in our closets for laundry. I even have one in our camper for laundry as well. It's great for wrapping paper, Nerf guns, literally blankets, so many things. But we mostly use ours for laundry. So it's going to come with a stand tall bin, plus it's going to come with the drawstring laundry bag here. So I actually have my stand tall bin lined with this. I think it's really great if you are carrying clothes to and from, or if you just need a cinch backpack, or if someone's, at college and they're bringing their clothes home to wash, they could have the stand tall bin so their things can fit in here, and then just take this off. So it just kind of folds over the edges there of your stand tall bin. And here it is. So it's like a little laundry bag here. It does cinch up. So it cinches up. It has a pocket there on the front, and it also has a strap on the back where you can carry this on your shoulder, or you wear it, I guess, as a crossbody. It's not adjustable, but and then the stand tall bin, you get to personalize that for free. This is not being personalized, probably maybe a little too thin, but okay, so that is what you get for the hostess special at the $500 party mark. And then also we have an outlet sale that's going on now through July 14th at midnight. So if you are interested in hosting, I can create you a shopping link very quickly, and then you can shop the outlet sale on your own link, share that link with your friends and your family, and earn hostess rewards that way. So let's talk about our customers. I just mentioned our outlet sale. We have so many products that are marked up to 75% off. Christmas and July items, so many things that you can stock your gift closet with, so many great products that are still left. So we had a refresh on July 5th, and then the outlet sale will end on the 14th at midnight. Our customer special staying, the 50/50 special. Y'all know how passionate I am about that customer special. I absolutely love it. So it's our 50/50 special. Spend 50, get any regular price item for 50% off. And it's for every 50 that you spend. So if you have $100 in your cart, then you'll get 2 half price items. You'll see your cart adjust to give you the best deal, okay? And also we are still shopping from our summer catalog, and I'm still in here. I love this catalog so much. So we're still shopping from our spring summer catalog, and also from our summer capsule as well. So some of these neon pinks and neon blue colors. And then also be sure to check out the bundle and save items for some deeply discounted products. I think our packing cubes are back, and that one is the one that's deeply discounted on our bundle and save tab. So go to sale and then go to bundle and save, and you'll see all those products that are paired together, and you get a discounted price there, okay? All right, let's talk about our consultants, right? So each month we have a sales incentive. So if we submit a certain amount of personal volume or sales in the month, then we receive a free product. We just were able to redeem our Road to Impact incentive. So all of these travel items, the modular toiletry case, the packing cubes, the travel duffel. So we earned all of those for free by submitting personal volume. So in the month of July, we are blind earning, if you will. So if we submit $500 in personal volume in the month of July, then we are going to receive a brand new fall product valued at $49. We won't know what that is probably until Impact, our national conference at the end of the month. If we submit $1,000 in the month of July, then we will receive more fall product valued at $123. So super excited to see what those new products are that we are earning. But it's really great because I think I earned the incentive in the very first day because we have an amazing outlet sale that's going on right now. Also, a perk that we have as a active 31 consultant is we can shop from a pre-sale. So any products that are going to launch in the next month, we're able to shop them early. So we can have them in our hands to show you when they do launch. So right now, our Halloween edit collection is going to launch on August 1st. So we're able to shop that collection at 40% off in the month of July. So I already placed my order a few days ago. Excited to get that. Also, if you are a consultant and attending Impact in person, I'm super excited about it. I would love to see you. Super excited for all of the things that are planned for Impact. Even if you're watching virtual, you're still going to have a great time. And of course, you're getting amenities. And we are still in the earning period for earning a Disney trip. And if you are leader earning for Paris. So I'm still digging in, trying to reach the 3rd level for Disney and trying to reach the last requirement for the Paris trip. So anyways, I am excited for all things July. I hope that you are too. I'll link everything below of what I talked about today, but I'd love to know what you are excited about. Are you excited about joining as a new consultant or hosting a party this month, or maybe even shopping this month? Or if you're a consultant, I want to know what you're excited about. Are you coming to Impact? So I hope that you all have a wonderful day, and I will look forward to seeing